Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need a valid Microsoft 365 account with Copilot enabled. Sign in now. Once signed in, open Excel and confirm Copilot appears in the ribbon. If it's not visible, go to Settings, right arrow Integrations and toggle Copilot on, then restart Excel. Now create a simple workbook or open your data file so you can follow along. Make sure macros or blocked content are allowed if your file uses them. This gets you past setup and into the first actionable step. You'll start by selecting the data range or table you want Copilot to work with. Selection guides its context. Then type a concise prompt describing the task, desired output, and any constraints, for example. Summarize sales by region and show top 3 months. Once done, review Copilot's suggested formulas or steps in the pane and accept, edit, or ask for refinement. Make sure to request code or formula comments if you need explanations. This helps you learn why it chose that approach. You must validate Copilot outputs by spot-checking totals and formulas against known values. Once satisfied, ask Copilot to convert the steps into a reusable template, query, or VBA snippet so you can automate repeated workflows. When finalizing, export results and document the prompt and edits for future use. If results look off, refresh the worksheet, rerun the prompt with more context, and verify your account permissions. This is the key troubleshooting tip to resolve common access or stale data issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.